AI can write songs, paint portraits, and even design fashion. But here's the question that keeps creators up at night. Is that real creativity or just clever imitation? Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating debates in tech and art. Can AI truly be creative? Or is it just mimicking what humans already made? Hi, I'm Cynthia, your digital guide to the world of artificial intelligence. If you've ever seen an AI-generated painting or song and thought, wow, that's amazing, but is it original? Then this video is definitely for you. Creativity is more than just producing something new. It's about combining ideas in unexpected ways that evoke emotion or meaning. Humans draw from experience, emotion, culture, and imagination. AI, on the other hand, draws from data, millions of images, sounds, and words. So can data-driven output ever count as creative? That depends on how you define creativity. Let's take tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Suno AI. They're trained on enormous data sets and learn patterns in human work. When you ask AI to paint a sunset in Van Gogh's style, it doesn't copy. It recombines patterns to produce something new-ish. It's not feeling inspiration, but it's generating novelty. That's algorithmic creativity, the kind that's born from patterns, not passion. But human creativity comes with something AI can't replicate: emotion, experience, and intent. When a human paints or writes, it's not just data. It's a reflection of their story, culture, and soul. That's why human art connects in ways that algorithmic art can't fully reach. I may produce beauty, but humans give it meaning. Here's the truth. The future of creativity isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. Artists are already using AI as a creative partner to brainstorm ideas, remix styles, or speed up production. When humans guide AI, we turn a tool into a collaborator, and that's where real innovation begins. So what do you think? Can AI ever feel inspired, or is creativity something only humans truly own? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. In the end, AI can generate art, but it's humans who give it heart. Thanks for watching. And in the next video, we'll explore how AI is changing art and design forever. And make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And keep your curiosity creative.